First, after opening this, we must remember to turn off the emergency switch, turn it off. Turn it off. Then replace the unit assembly. First step, we use a 19 millimeter hex wrench to remove the oil pipe. Unscrew it clockwise. Watch carefully. Okay, after removing it here, at this position there's an oil nozzle and there's an O-ring here. You can first pull it out.
That's just scissors.
Make sure not to lose it. You can put it aside, don't lose it, place it properly. You can put it in a box. Then use a 22 millimeter open end wrench, hex wrench, to remove the oil pipe fitting. Unscrew it clockwise. We can put it together with the O-ring. Okay, now the oil pipe fitting is removed. After removing it, then we cut the tie on the back here on this big aluminum box. There's a plug here for the plugs. Then cut the plug. After cutting it, we also need to pull this off, pull off this switch, this unit, this switch. On top is a float switch. We can use a Phillips screwdriver, this one. Right now, after separating, now we can use
10 of those.
10 millimeters.
Socket.
Remove this, remove our main unit, the main body here, these two front and back, these two small screws. Okay, there's one inside here. Next, remove the top of the main unit here, the main unit position, one on top. Okay, remove it.
13's at the back.
Underneath. This line, the one below, there's a line. This line is connected to our motor. This line doesn't need to be removed. The one to the main unit. This line doesn't need to be removed. Then we remove the one on top connected to this. The small yellow line can be pulled out. Use $13. Use a 13 millimeter socket to remove it, or a hex wrench can also remove it. Okay, next step, remove our motor, the main motor, the negative pole of the main motor, the black main negative pole, 1410 to 1414 millimeters hex wrench, clockwise.
Don't turn it off yet.
We are disconnecting wires. During the process of disconnecting wires, the first step is to cut off the main power. Definitely turn off our main switch, turn off the power. Make sure to turn it off. This is the most important step. Make sure to turn it off first. After turning it off, don't touch it anymore. And now we have a return oil pipe.
It's to pull open.
The return oil pipe is at this position. When we remove it, this is AA, we can lower this. Then we can move this, yes, right? We press the blue part down, press it down, and the return pipe can be pulled out. Okay, now it can be removed. Now we start disassembling this, the emergency switch here. Our unit is completely disassembled. After disassembly, the next step is to remove the screws securing the entire unit, which are located here behind this bracket. There are 2 screws here, and we can use an 8mm hex wrench from the back, from the position of our slide, from the back of our slide here. We have 2 drainage ports here for disassembling the unit assembly here. Then we use an 8mm hex wrench, 8mm hex, and insert it here.
You're still stronger than me.
Before we remove the screws, we can find something a bit thicker to wedge under the gasket, using wood or something similar to prevent the unit from falling when disassembled. Alright, also unscrew it clockwise. Turn it clockwise to remove. Touch the one below. Alright, now the whole unit has come down. Okay, now the unit screws, the securing screws have been removed. We've disassembled it. Disassembly is complete. Make sure to set the 2 screws aside safely.